G'day. I had a piece of maple that had a gigantic split right down the centre, and I thought, well, so that split, CO glue, that's what it's all about. So used a ton of this CO glue on making the split stable again, and you can see that the actual core of this piece of wood is still right the way through this blank. It turned out reasonably well. This bowl is pretty thin on the bottom, so there's no maker's badge at the bottom, so no room for that. Forcing a bit will go straight through the bottom. So there it is. It's been finished off with axe paste and friction polish from Mylar, and came out really well. So let's see how all this is made. We'll check it on the lathe and start from the beginning, and I'll have some stills at the end of the video to show everybody. So the bandsaw blade is not that sharp, so you'll see it kind of cuts semi-round, but does the job. So there's the split. You get a closer look when it's put onto the lathe. Making the bowl bottom, and in particular the foot for the chuck. But you can see here now that split. So it's right through the pith and through to the other side. And you'll see as you're going further forward here, there's like a ticking sound. It's where the actual two halves of this bowl blank is coming loose. So got stuck into it with the medium CA glue and also some of the thin. It holds up pretty well, and it doesn't show up too much when the bowl's finished. You'll see the CA glue actually provides an invisible seam between the two cracks, and a crack is kind of a feature on this bowl. So yeah, speeding it up where it needs to be sped up, and slowing down as we go through forward. So sit back and watch how this all turns out. Hercules roughing gouge first off. Go into the half-inch bolt gouge and keep that for the remainder of the turn. Getting out the bowl thickness calipers just to see how thin this wall is. It does end up around about 3/16 of an inch on the bottom. Not what I desired it to be, but it kind of eliminated that crack. Using the sanding sealer here now just to seal off the bowl and to cover up that CA glue seam, which as I said is becoming a feature of this particular turn. Then the axe finishing paste, and finally the Mylar friction polish. Turning off the foot now, and as I said, the bowl was so thin the maker's badge didn't really have enough room for it to be placed. Forcing a bit that I usually use to put the maker's badge would have gone right through the bottom of the bowl. So that's the project from beginning to end. It turned out really well. Some still photos at the end of this video. Yeah, Another video coming up next week. Good to see you guys following my channel. See you soon. Cheers.